Well, boys and girls, this will be your last math assignment for first grade. We're on the last day of school, and here's going to be your last math assignment. So you'll need your book, and we're going to go to My Review. Make sure you write your name and the short date at the top. This is for Chapter 10, and I'm on page 737. I'll write it here at the top, 737. Okay, the first part is vocabulary check. So you're going to draw lines to match. Here's the names of the shapes, and you're going to draw a line to the shape it matches. Okay, number 1 says cone, so draw a line to the cone. Number 2 says cube, draw a line to the cube. Number 3, cylinder, and number 4, rectangular prism. Okay, that should be pretty easy, so I'm going to let you guys do that one on your own. Concept check. Identify each shape. Circle the name. Write the number of faces and vertices. Okay. So is it a cylinder or a cube? It's got to be a cylinder, right? We know it's not a cube. Okay, how many faces does it have? 1, 2. 2 faces. How many vertices? How many corners? If you said 0, you are correct. There are no corners or vertices. It's a round shape. Okay, turn the page. Let's go to number 6. Okay, same thing with this shape. We're going to circle the name and write how many faces and vertices. So is this a cone or a rectangular prism? It's a cone, right? That's an easy one. How many faces does it have? Here's the face down here. So it has 1 face and vertex. 1 vertex at the top. Okay, number 7. You're going to do this one on your own. I already did the other 2. So is this a cube or a cylinder? And then how many faces? How many vertices? You can look back in the book to help you, or you can look on your foldable to help you, where it says cube. Oh, I already told you what it was. That was an accident. Okay, number 8. Circle the object that can be made by the faces. So look at all these faces. Which object can be made with those faces? Circle your choice. Okay, number 9. Circle the object that has the face shown. Circle face. Which object does it go with? Circle your choice. Number 10, circle the shapes. Oh, hold on. Circle the shape that is not used to build the composite shape shown or below. So here's the shapes you have. Which of these shapes was not used? Circle the shape they did not use. Okay, then we'll go to the next page. Number 11, problem solving. I think I wrote the wrong date. Okay, had to fix my date. 10th, last day of school. Okay, problem solving. If you put these shapes together, what 3-dimensional shape do you make? Circle the name of the shape they make. Do these 6 square faces make a cube or rectangular prism? Circle your choice. Number 12. Circle a shape with 4 or more faces. 4 or more faces. Well, I know a sphere doesn't have any faces, so it can't be that one. A cone only has one face, so it can't be a cone. Shapes. Okay, so you can circle 2 or more that have 4 or more faces. Does a cylinder have 4 or more faces? Well, here's 1, 2. So nope, it only has 2. Does a cube have 4 or more faces? Yes. And a rectangular prism? Yes. Okay, number 13. I am a 3-dimensional shape. My faces are shaped like squares. That's important. I have 8 vertices. 8 vertices. What shape am I? Okay, so the faces are shaped like squares. I know the cone doesn't have any square faces, so it can't be a cone. Squares. Do you see squares on a cylinder? Nope. My faces are shaped like squares. So all the faces are squares. I see a lot of squares here. Is a rectangular prism made out of only squares? No. Right? So it must be the cube. All the faces are squares. Okay, so that is it for my review. When you're done, send me pictures to Class Dojo or Google Classroom. And that is it for math for 1st grade. You can keep your book after you send me the pictures. Keep your book and finish the pages we didn't do for extra practice. Or you can choose to not keep it. Ask your guardians what they want you to do with it. You might, guardians, you might want to hang on to it just to show and make sure you have your students' work in case they need to prove still that they had done their work. Okay? Just in case. I'll see you in the next one.